Hello my friends. I'm Harry and welcome to Characters Factory. Last year for Christmas season I recreated the Snow Queen on a doll. But this year Christmas season I prepared 3 videos inspired by the all-time classic story of Charles Dickens, A Christmas Carol. I remake the spirit from past and now I want to remake the spirit from present. I designed the spirit of Christmas present as a jolly, laughing character. He loves the moment, he loves animals, and fun and everything joyful, and actually, I want him to look like a villager, like Eskimo guy, like Inuit. I want my Christmas spirit of present to help my Snow Queen and show her what winter living is. I had to choose a male doll. But I already have only 3 male dolls. So I choose the huntsman from Ever After High. After I choose the doll I would work on, I had to find him other clothes to look like the clothes I designed. So I opened my unicorn clothes stock box to find something. I choose for he and shoes. And I find his a new outfit. I use these acrylics to paint his clothes. When they are dry, I decorate them with these ribbons. I start with the fur ribbon. After with brown, I paint jacket's color brown. And I continue with ribbons. And some final gold details at the back of the jacket. I work with the same method to complete his pant. For his shoes, I use Amos Enjoy air dry clay to make they look like Christmas shoes. Actually, I inspired for his shoes by Kristoff's shoes from Frozen. When they are dry, I add some details with hot glue. And then I paint it brown. It's time to start designing the face. I sprayed his face with Mr. Super Clear and I let that dry for 30 minutes. And then I started with pastels. After her first experience, the Snow Queen, with the Christmas spirit of the past, she went out for a ride with her sleigh. Her sleigh was haunted by the polar bears, and she never stopped floating. But then, she listened something. She listened bell sounds.
Hello, Snow Queen. I'm the ghost of Christmas present. Ha 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 ha. Look upon me.
Oh no, not again.
Ha 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 ha. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you will ever have. Don't be scared, give me your hand, and we will watch together the present. Oh, come on.
Okay.
Oh, what's these two wounded bears? They are so tired. Oh, and they have a little baby bear. So maybe if you ever want to flog your bears again, think that they have feelings too.
I hope you liked my story, guys. If you didn't watch my last video with Christmas spirit of the past, go and watch it now. I tried hard to prepare and the last video with the Christmas yet to come. So if you like my work, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all again. Take care, my friends. Bye bye.